Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Sorry, it's been a long time. I couldn't make a video. I'm gonna give you an update what's happening in my shop. The first thing, we add TV. Yeah, my son is behind the camera. He told me we need TV. He was right. It was kind of blank wall and it wasn't really looking good. And just we add this TV. We had this coffee machine, but look at our desk. I don't know, everyone is obsessed with this monitor. Something is special about monitor. I don't know. Everyone is asking where did you buy it, how much you paid for it. It's ultra wide Samsung. I bought it from Facebook Marketplace. I bought it used and everyone loved it. Yeah, we turned the desk this way, but this is just part of it. Let's go in the shop and I want to talk about the tools that we got. All right, the first thing I upgraded is this one. I know I had a video about the Snap-on tools. They're so expensive, but some of them you can't really go without them. I had the Robinair AC machine. I bought it brand new when I opened this shop, but I regret it because it's very slow. The customer service was terrible. We had the problem, we called them, texted them, emailed them, whatever we did, no one came and fixed it. I traded with this Snap-on Dual 134A and 1234YF machine. The guy, he bought mine and paid the fair price, and I bought this brand new and it works great. It does both old and new, 134 and 1234. I think it's kind of a need for shops like this. This is one of them. These tools. If you do a lot of suspension, like shocks and stuff, I recommend buy this. Not having this, I used to have the one with the gun. You just squeeze the spring and almost killed one of my employee because the tools broke and jumped out, and his hand was hurt and got some stitches. My son took him to hospital, and I decided to buy this. It's quite expensive. I paid $800 for used one from Marketplace. It was brand new. It was in the box, but the guy, he didn't use it. I installed it. We just used it one time, but it's worth it. I don't want to hurt anyone in the shop, so that's not really good. I bought this welding machine, but this one, it's a need. This is a Snap-on charging machine. You can jump start, you can charge AGM, normal batteries, lithium ion batteries. You can do whatever you want with this one. 300 amps, 60 amp hours, 50 amp hours, 4 amp hours. The bad thing about the charging that I had, it was a Power Max. It was a straight one, like a amperage. You couldn't really adjust the amperage, but this one you can do. You can change from different 12 volt, 6 volt, 20 volt, or you can flush the module. If you do a lot of programming, if you do a lot of tires, I recommend. I was in a market to buy a tire machine, especially mounter, not the balancer, and I bought this Ketul. And the guy, he was coming here for like his Snap-on tools. He said buy mine, and it's quite expensive. But let me show you what I did, what upgrade I did. This one. This Ketul does a great job. It has a good wide arm, it works. But one thing you should do, change this. I bought this from Snap-on and it works great. It's plastic. I don't know why they removed it, but this works great because the original one, it has just a tip, a little bit plastic on the tip, and over time it just faded out and it's just scratching and damaging the people's car's rim. And I didn't want this happen, and I bought this. I don't think so you need to replace and trade the whole machine. I showed you guys the scanners, the torque wrench and stuff, but one thing I added is these two are neat for a shop like this. First one is this one. First one, this Autel new TPMS programming machine. This is the best. This does really incredible job because whenever I have the other one, the Autel, the old one, and it has a cable you need to connect to the machine. Whenever you want to program or relearn this TPMS sensor, you need to walk out around the car and just get this machine as close as possible to the sensor so you can program it or relearn it. Kind of a limitation for that other machine. It works great, but I have it, and I bought this one because this one you can integrate the other machine that you measure the tire depth and you check the rotors, and you can check and print out. It works great, and it works with all new cars. It has a free lifetime update. There's no problem. This one, this is a Snap-on. This is a sniffer. This find your AC leak, and it works for 1234 and 134. Because whenever you buy such a things, you need to make sure buy for both AC Freon. because they are different. And if it works for one of them, it won't work for other one unless it's dual machine or dual sniffer. I bought this one, I think I paid like 600 something. These are the tools that we bought, upgraded, and we keep buying more tools because running a shop, it's, you know, it's unending purchasing tools, unfortunately, but these are the tools that make us money. I mean, we can charge customers, especially in the era of having new cars every day. Guys, we add AIs. Now, I have my son behind the desk. He's the manager right now. And by the way, he's 17 years old. Shout out to those 17 years old sitting in front of TV and still, daddy, mommy, feed me. But when I brought him sitting here and answering the phones and doing all the management and customer service and ordering the parts and stuff, it gave me more time to what I had to do for a long time, use AI. All of you guys know AI is just coming to market. If you're behind this project and you didn't think about it or you didn't start it yet, I highly encourage you just watch this video and just start doing it. We implement a voice AI agent in our system, and it gives us so much freedom and free time. Why? Because I used to work in the shop, and every second, because this phone for website and advertising was connected to my phone, every second my hands were dirty under the car, full of oil. I was working on the car and I had to concentrate and keep getting calls, text, call, text, call, text. I was so tired. And I just add this AI, voice AI. It's not just voice, it can text, it can communicate, and it works great. Let me show you how it does. And if you want to train employee, this is one of the greatest thing you can add in your profile, because it will record all of the conversation, even with AI and with employee, and you can go and track, you can check, it send a text message, send direction, send schedule appointment, it tell all the necessary things over the phone, and you save time basically. He's Mr. Ali, he's here. All right, show me what it does. This is our giant screen, everyone loves it. Yeah, these are the customers. They called us. We can see all of them here through this content. And you can see the script, you can see the text, and
hear their voice.
you can hear the
Hey,
voice.
you have reached CarTech Georgia Auto Repair Shop. How can I help you today?
I'm trying to speak with Tech.
Got it. Before I transfer you, can I get your first and last name, please?
It's Jimmy Houston.
Thanks, Jimmy. What's the year, make, and model of your vehicle?
It's 2008 CL63 AMG.
Great. And do you know the engine size?
Yes, it's 6.2.
Perfect. How can I assist you today? Do you need a repair estimate, a diagnostic, or our business hours and directions?
See, there are a bunch of them. Customer call, answers. There's a problem here. Yes, AI is limited. It won't answer and it won't cover every question customer has, but it was just filters what is necessary and what's priority as far as, you know, customers estimate, diagnostic time, and appointment. Because it used to be like this: customer call, hey, do you do salvage title inspection? We don't. Hey, do you do rim repair? We don't. Hey, do you do this? You know, AI can handle all of these things and get rid of your phone and just answer it and handle it behind the scene. And if the customer need to talk to someone like a representative or tech or manager, customer ask over the phone, and this AI it's very smart and it just can transfer a call for signed person. That's very easy, very useful, and I highly encourage you just use it. If you want to use my AI, the one that I have, I'll put the link down in the description. You can get 7 days for free trial. Test it. If you don't like it, you can cancel it, no charge, and I can set it up for you if you have. And you don't need to have a auto repair business. I have a friend, he owns alteration business. It works great. It does the same thing. Yeah, if you want to use it, I highly encourage you to go ahead and use that. Click on the link and sign up. You get 7 days for free. You have enough time to test it, but you don't lose anything, promise. Thank you guys for sticking with me. Like and subscribe. Don't forget. Bye.